another vitamin that's involved with a weak back. Suspect a vitamin E deficiency. Now, you have to realize that alpha tocopherol is not vitamin E. It might be one piece of this vitamin E complex, but just by taking alpha tocopherol, it's probably not going to do anything for your weak back. What you want to take is either you have two choices: the whole vitamin E complex, maybe taking some wheat germ oil, which has everything, or you can take the tocotrienol complex, which is kind of a newly discovered part of the vitamin E complex, which seems to work really good, in fact, better than the tocopherols. And so you can either get a tocotrienol complex, okay, or a wheat germ oil that will greatly strengthen your lower back. I remember in practice, I would demonstrate this on someone with a weak muscle, especially of the lower back, and then they would take some vitamin E, and within minutes, they would become strong. So if you have problems with weak muscles, think about vitamin E, the real complex. Vitamin E also increases oxygen into the muscles. It's actually really good to counter angina, which is a lack of oxygen in your heart. In fact, you probably see empty bottles of vitamin E at the top of most of the mountains on planet Earth from climbers that use vitamin E to handle some of the oxygen deficiency problems they have at higher altitudes. Vitamin E also is great for muscle atrophy. If someone is losing muscle, okay, maybe they're getting older and they have a loss of muscle, vitamin E is really, really important. Vitamin E is also good for hot flashes, but I would make sure it's in the form of this wheat germ oil.